Man, that AC unit just pulls that humidity out of that house. 30 minutes, you got enough water in there to water a couple plants. Well, here we are with the indoor unit running pretty good. It's about 80 degrees outside, some good humidity. The Daikin 2-ton installed by Brevard Cooling and Heating. Fantastic job. Shout out to all of them here in Brevard County. We're going to go outside now. We're going to check out the outdoor unit. There's that Daikin Fit Series. Shout out to Brevard Cooling and Heating for doing a great job for insulation, surge protectors. All new. It's a little bit of noisier today, but just joking. There is no noise. It's calm, quiet. Especially at startup.